For close round 28, after the last popcorn and 2 chain, we make a slip stitch top of very first bubble stitch cluster here. Then this round finish like this. In this round we had 6 cluster here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Between each of this cluster 2 chain, 5 2 chain. After and before we start this cluster, chain 1 here and chain 1 here. Round 29, chain 1 for a start, 2 double crochet bubble stitch around this bubble stitch cluster, 1 and 2, now a bubble stitch like this, 2 chain, 1 2, skip this popcorn, around first front post double crochet we make a popcorn, 5 front post double crochet popcorn, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now a popcorn, around next front post double crochet we make 2 front post double crochet, 1 and 2. Now chain 1. Again here we want to make cluster, a front post double crochet around first cluster here, 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 a front post double crochet unfinished, another front post double crochet around next cluster here, 3 loops on the hook and a cluster like this, 2 chain, 1 2, another cluster around same cluster and next second cluster we make another front post double crochet here. So 1 front post double crochet here and the other one around next, now a cluster, 2 chain, 1 2, again another cluster around second front post double crochet of this cluster here, another one around next, now a cluster, 2 chain, 1 2, another cluster around this one and next one, 1 here and the other one around next, so a cluster, 2 chain, another 2 front post double crochet cluster around this cluster and next, so 1 here and the other one around next cluster. You can do it around cluster exactly or only these 2 loops here. I do it like this. Now 5 cluster here, 1 2 3 4 and 5, chain 1, 2 front post double crochet around next here, 2 front post double crochet, 1 and 2. Now 5 front post double crochet, popcorn around the necks, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now a popcorn. Now here, skip this popcorn, 2 chain around this bubble stitch cluster here. We make a 2 double crochet bubble stitch, 1 and 2. Now a bubble stitch, 2 chain, and repeat this pattern. We want to continue this pattern. I crochet one more time for you guys. Skip this popcorn, around first front post double crochet. We make 5 front post double crochet popcorn, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now a popcorn. Then 2 front post double crochet around the next one here, 1 and 2. Now chain 1. Now here around first cluster and next we make a cluster, 1 front post double crochet here, the other one around next cluster. Now a cluster, 2 chain, again another cluster around second cluster and third one, so 1 here and the other one around next. Now 2 chain, 1, 2, again another cluster around this one and next one, 1 front post double crochet here and the other one around next. Now a cluster, 2 chain, again another cluster around this one and the other one around next. Now a cluster, 2 chain, another cluster around same and next, 1 here and the other one around next. Now a cluster, chain 1, 2 front post double crochet around next, 1 and 2, 5 front post double crochet popcorn around next, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now a popcorn, 2 chain, 1, 2, skip this popcorn, around this bubble stitch cluster we make a bubble stitch, 1 and 2 and a bubble stitch like this, 2 chain, and continue this pattern until we finish this round, and I come back here